Hello, welcome to my video. I'm going to show you how you can open a PDF file in Word and edit it. There can be multiple reasons why you want to do that, but I'm going to show you how you're going to do that. First of all, here is a PDF file. The quickest way, and the way I always do it, is you can open Word and browse to the file, or you can just right click on the file, open. Word is not in the list, so you need to choose another app. More apps. Surf down. Word. It starts up Word and it comes up with a warning. Word will now convert your PDF file to an editable Word document. And there it is. And now you can just change whatever you want. You can remove stuff. You can, I don't know. You can even see it does the auto numbering if you need it. You can insert a, let's insert this handsome bloke. So you can basically do whatever you want with the PDF file. You can insert a, for review, a new comment if you want. And now you have a PDF file changed and you have added comments to it. And now you can say, okay, I want to save it as a Word document. Let's do that first. Okay, so now it's changed as a doc file, and you can open it as a save it as a PDF file. So now it's writing a PDF file, and I have Adobe Acrobat installed on my computer, so now I can just go through the document that I changed with a handsome picture of myself and all the other bits and bobs. Here's my comment. So that's the PDF file. So now you have a original PDF file and you have a PDF file with your changes in a Word document. So you can do anything and everything you want with your PDF file. I hope this was useful to you. I'm going to start work on the next video. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment on, and give me a comment what you would like to see in your next video. Thank you very much. Bye bye for now.